Great people, great personalities, and great heart for them to come out here and meet with the first responders, meet with the people who are affected is very important. They really buoyed the spirits of the first responders. We visited the command post at the Rose Bowl, and people were very happy to see them. We were here earlier today, and they were serving food anonymously. No one knew they were serving food. They didn't come out here for publicity. They came out here to work, and then we went to visit some of the families in the impacted area and view firsthand some of the impacted area. And then they wanted to go visit the first responders and personally thank them for their efforts.